Definitely our favorite man on the show. Malume, John, how are you? And welcome back on the show.
I'm very well, thanks, and just awesome to have all of you back on the show today.
Yes, sir.
Yes, hello, Malume John, I'm back.
Hello, Carol. Hello, Celeste, and big hello to Little Mike.
Little Mike. Hey, Malume, you know Mike has a... Is it a desire, Celeste? Mike has a desire of being an actor.
Well, I promise
he figured
you,
he's got some talent.
You'll make a big actor.
You'll make a big actor. Definitely love it, Malume. All right, today we're talking car maintenance tips. What do drivers have to watch out for, Malume?
For all the drivers out there, they must realize that, most breakdowns don't happen overnight. So there's always kind of telltale signs before it happens. But the most important thing for all the drivers out there is don't ignore any warning lights, because your dashboard is geared to, like a doctor will put his instruments on you to see how you're doing. The computers in the actual engine itself are there to design, and they're designed to pick up problems. So most of all, any light that comes on your dash, from your engine light, for instance, when your engine light comes on, it's normally your computer picking up a fault, either with the ignition system or with the fuel. It could even be a small thing like a loose fuel cap or a failing oxygen sensor, which is a very, very cheap thing. Even worn spark plugs could make your engine light come on. But for all the listeners out there, please don't ignore any lights that come on your dash, whether it's your oil pressure light, whether it's your battery light or your temperature light. These can all actually be very small little issues that are starting to happen. But if you fail to take your car in and have it checked, it can result in thousands and thousands of rands now having to possibly replace your engine or fix your whole engine. So the warning out there is, please look for the lights on your dash, and as soon as the light comes on your dash, either pop into us here at Spares Boys and we can check it for you, or we can refer you to a mechanic, but get it checked as soon as possible, because it can end up saving you a lot of money.
Because sometimes there are lights that come through in your car and you're like, I don't know what is this one for. It looks like a surfing board. It's color orange. You're like, I'll have to explain this one. So when we get with the lights like that, and we have, should we start with you guys at Spare Boys? And can we get all the necessary parts from the boys?
One thing the listeners must all remember out there is that we at the Parts Boys are basically to help any of the listeners with any of their car problems. So if a light just pops on your car, and even if it's an orange light and it doesn't turn to red, by all means, if you're not 100% sure, give us a call. Advice on our side costs absolutely nothing. So for all the listeners out there, give us a call before you can even take it to a mechanic, and we'll be very, very happy to give you our advice as to what we think the problem is. And no matter what the problem is, any of the parts, from spark plugs to a radiator cap, a small little thing like a radiator cap, to no matter what it is, it could be your brakes, it could be your radiator, it could be a thermostat, it could be anything. No matter what you need, right from the front to the back of the car, everything that you would possibly ever need, you can get from the boys. You can either get from Spares Boys, if you drive Mercedes, BM, Honda, Tata, Hyundai, Kia, Jeep, Land Rover, Renault, Peugeot, Citroen or Volvo, Spares Boys will be the guys to solve any of the problems. For any of the other brands like Ford, Toyota, Mazda, Suzuki, VW, Mini, Isuzu, Dodge, no matter what it is, we have a division called Parts Boys, and even the online guys. So no matter what part you need for your car, big and small, we have it all. And advice to us is just something that we're very happy to give you. We've been around for 36 years. We have the experience, and advice is for free. And our job is to save you money before a small problem becomes a big problem. We replace that part, put new spark plugs, no matter what it is, and it can end up saving you huge amounts of money. So the key word is prevention is better than cure. Find the problem when it's small, get it fixed, and you save yourself a lot of money.
That's very true, Malume. Before we let you go, why couldn't the skeleton go to the car wash or car show rather?
Because he didn't have the guts to drive.
I was waiting for the
Malume. You know we love you. We appreciate you. And of course the boys as well, making sure that all motorists are taken care of. Until next week, Wednesday, Uncle John, thank you so much.
Have a beautiful afternoon. Drive safe. Drive slowly. Be careful. We love you lots.
All right.
Thank you, Uncle John.
That is from the Spare Boys, talking to Mr. John Hunter, the only uncle that we know in the vehicle spare parts business. We'll be back.